Hello my lovely, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. And today I'm showing you my unboxing of the last ever Alexandra Renke box or Kreativ Box for me. So I am very late with posting this, but please forgive me, I had some very urgent projects on the go that I cannot publish here, and you don't see me cutting the box open because I forgot to turn the camera on. But here goes. Here's some neon string that's quite sleek, and some envelopes that are self-adhesive, as usual for Alexandra Renke. And here is a small die that's called Layered Butterfly 8, Schicht Schmetterling Nummer 8, and some sequins that are also in the shape of butterflies. They're quite nice and flat. Now here's some dried flowers, which are natural materials, so they are quite brittle. And I don't know what these fluffy ones are called, but here's some baby's breath, and that's dyed pink. Up next we remove the box, and we have some pink cardstock depicting some lovely whimsical butterflies, and the paper number is 102773. And here's a sheet of vellum in 12 by 12, and a plum colored sheet that's the same. It's the calm paper background with the same butterfly pattern, and the paper number is 102779. Now we have a cool red, that's paper number 102777. And a warmer or lighter purple, that's paper number 102778. And a greenish yellow or mustard color, it's paper number 102775. And an ochre warm yellow, paper number 102774. Up next is a warm red, orangey red, 102776. And the last paper is teal, dark teal, paper number is 102780. And some white cardstock, the Alexandra Renke white, in 12 by 12 inches. And I plan to make a shaker card and cut the circles out of this cardstock with my silhouette, and I cut the teal colored cardstock a little smaller, which in hindsight I could have just cut the same size. And I'm going to adhere the foil and making sure that I don't get any glue onto it, so it's quite clear. So also in hindsight, I could have put another 2 layers of card onto the white base, so to give the sequins a little more wiggle room, but I thought since they're all flat, even though I added some different sequins as well in purple, I think they would have shaken better if I had done so. But anyhow, this is how I did it, and I can't really change it again. So now the card is almost finished, but I die cut some butterflies out of the vellum, and there are 2 sizes, so they layer on top of each other, and I cut a white body for them. So here I adhered the butterflies on top of the shaker windows, and this is the card. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing and staying with me for all these years of unboxing and my other videos as well, and I hope to see you back again with another video subject, maybe watercolors. Until then, do take care, do what you love, bye for now, ta-da!